So far during the webinar, we've been looking at the hybrid working from the leader's perspective. Now I just want to take a look at hybrid working from more of a team perspective. Here are some of the main kind of challenges hybrid teams face. That difficulty of being one team. And it's that kind of in-group, out-group effect. Similarity biases can come into play and get in the way of that sense of belonging and being one team. If there was a strong team culture pre-COVID, exclusion may not be such an issue. However, there may be new challenges or maybe challenges for new team members who are actually joining the team or have joined the team partway through the remote working experience. When team members choose when and where to work, it can add another challenge to diary coordination to get the agreement of team members of when and where meetings will be held. Holding a hybrid meeting can be challenging in itself, as remote workers may have difficulty seeing everyone in an office location. If they're not on individual webcams, there could also be sound issues. It's very easy to create an unequal meeting environment, which can limit team members' ability to take part fully and feel part of the meeting and team. Remote workers often find out information at a later time to when office located workers receive that information. Remote workers can lose out on informal office conversations and information, and again leading to feelings of not being part of the team and or the organisation. It's easy to feel isolated and detached from an organisation. And this is where those unconscious bias that I think it was Sue mentioned earlier, can easily come into play. Distance bias. We have a tendency to turn to the people who are closest to us. So who are the people that are actually in the manager's line of sight? They're more likely to turn to those people to tell them things, to ask them things. Expedience bias. We prefer to act quickly rather than take time. So again, if somebody is at the side of us, we're more likely to turn to that person. Similarity bias. We prefer things which are same as us to the things which are different. So people that are working in the office are more likely to turn to office. People that are working remotely are more likely to turn to their colleagues who are working remotely. The impact of unconscious bias is huge though. For hybrid teams, organisations and managers will tend to favour their co-located team members, having implications for access to opportunities, promotions, new projects, delegated tasks, contribution of ideas and opinions. And linking into that last point of inequality in the access and availability of the team leader, it can be very easy from a team member's perspective to slip into that kind of mindset of mum likes you best, it's not fair, it's all right for you. As team members who are workplace based believe that those working from home have it made, but also the opposite is true, as those working from home believe that those that go into the office more have it made, because they've got the access, more easy access to information, to managers, etc. So this is a very, very complex situation. There are no easy kind of answers. And this is, for many managers, this is all new ground, and many team members as well. This is all a new area that we've got to kind of navigate and work our way through.